Hey everybody, welcome to our 4th day of YouTube school. Yay! Did you ever think you would go to school by going onto YouTube? I never ever thought I'd have a YouTube channel, much less in kindergarten be a teacher of kindergarten on YouTube. It's crazy. Now, a good thing is, I shared it in my Breakfast Read Aloud. If you haven't watched it, you need to. Is by staying home, I do get to use my favorite mug. This is my West Virginia coffee mug that has a picture of West Virginia on it. Well, it's not like a picture. It's actually like kind of 3D-ish. It's like clay pottery, and it was made in West Virginia by an artist. This is my favorite mug. One I could never bring to school because I would spill the coffee on my way, and unlike my Yeti, this mug, my coffee gets cold quicker. So I have to drink it faster. Now, I've been getting some good things from you all, and I've been posting them to the stories on Dojo, and I love to get them. I miss seeing you all, and I miss hearing your good things about you and your family and your friends. And I know the boys and girls that are looking on the story love hearing from each other. It's a great way for us to stay connected, even though we can't see each other right now. So if you have something to share, remember you have to text it to me. My phone number, if you have forgotten it, send me a message on Dojo and I will send it to you. I don't want to say it out loud on YouTube. You never know who would call. So you just send it to me, okay? All right, it's exciting. All right, let me get ready for, I have a couple announcements too. You know, boys and girls, my mind's sometimes like, vroom, vroom, vroom. So I've sent out another how-to, and it is how to use IXL, which is a great resource for extra practice. I am not going to tell you to do it or like assign it, but I would love it if you did do that extra practice anytime you had a few minutes. It doesn't have to be for a long time. It can be for 15 minutes or less. You can log in through Clever, and I sent each of you a picture on your messages on how to, if you get the app, how you can log in through the app. Okay, but there's a how-to on my YouTube page. It's like T-Parents, how to use IXL. And if you forgot how to use Clever or Mayon, I have a how-to on that. Also, you can just go back and watch it. Those are good resources that help your kids go above and beyond what I can assign. Because really, I try to keep it to like 10 minutes or less. So I am just barely touching the surface of what we do in a day. And I want to do so much more. But I know everybody has a lot on their plate right now, and your kid can't spend the whole day in front of a computer watching me on YouTube. So I'm trying to cut it down to some review skills for now until we hear what in the world we're supposed to do. Okay. All right. Are you ready? I'm going to say the sounds. You tell me the word. W, e, n, win, h, a, p, hop, w, a, g, wag, ed, red, n, a, d, nod, ol, ed, lead, pig, pig, at, mat. Good job. All right, fists up. Are you ready? Tell me the sounds in win. W, I, n, win. Tell me the sounds in hop. P, hop. Tell me the sounds in wag. W, a, g, wag. Tell me the sounds in red. R, e, d, red. Tell me the sounds in nod. N, a, d, nod. Tell me the sounds in lead. L, E, D, lead. Tell me the sounds in pig. P-I-G. Pig. Tell me the sounds in mat. At. Mat. Nice job. Now to our next activity. It's not really on your lesson plans, but it's a little warm up if you want to do it. Grab your whiteboard and your marker if you want to. That's a little challenge, but you don't have to have this to go along with my activity. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say 2 words. If they have the same sound at the end of the word, the last sound, okay, I want you to say, yep, yep, yep. If they do not have the same sound, I want you to say, no way. Okay, are you ready? Now, for the challenge part, I want you to write these words down as I say them. So you may have to hit pause and think and pull out your sounding hand and do it, okay? First word, Bob, Bob, cab. Do they have the same ending sound? I'll do it one more time. Bob, cab. Yep, yep, yep. They do. Now remember, you could pause me and you could write b, and k-a-b. Just like this, okay? And that will help with your writing and your identifying your letters. But you do not have to. That is just an extra way that you can do it, and then you can hit play and go on to the next one, okay? All right, your next one. Wed, nod. Listen again. Wed, nod. Do they have the same ending sound? Yep, yep, yep. Yep, they do. Good job. All right. Fin, yam. Fin, yam. Do they have the same ending sound? Fin, yam. No way. No way. They don't. They don't. All right, next word. Ix, mix, 6. Listen again. Mix, 6. Do they have the same ending sound? Yep, yep, yep. Yep, they do. Peg, caught. Peg, caught. Do they have the same ending sound? Peg, caught. No way, they don't. All right, next. Net, fit. Net, fit. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, they do. You are so right. You guys are doing a fabulous job. Okay, now your sight words for today that I want you to practice. Here's your first one. Say bye. Spell bye. Say bye. These are review, remember. Say there. Spell there. Say there. Say do. Spell do. Say do. Okay, here's what you got to do. 3 sight words. You have to go on a sight word hunt. That means grab a book and look for by, there, do. So you need to grab a book and look for by, there, and do. You could use your reading book that I sent home with you guys that has the stories in it. And while you're in there, you could read a story. Practice is what will get us to where we need to be. So while you're in that reading book, you could read a story. But I want you to look for by, there, and do. And you can look for them anywhere. Any book you have, okay? So that's one thing I want you to do. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to think of your favorite character. Your favorite character in a fictional story, made up, okay? Favorite one ever. And I want you to draw that character, add color, and send me a picture on Dojo. Now, some of you guys have been uploading to the portfolio part. That means you go up in the upper left-hand corner of your Dojo and you pull down, like you're maybe in the parent tab, so you'd have to go to the student tab, and it'll say your student's name and do the tab, and then you click on my name under there, and then you upload a picture. Some of you have been doing that, awesome. And if you haven't, that's okay. You can still text it to me or message it to me. But I have a how-to on YouTube on how to do that if you want to. But I want you to think of your favorite character of all your fiction books. Those are your made-up stories. And I want you to draw it. I'm going to draw mine right now and see if you know my favorite character. Now, mine will not have color because I'm drawing it on my whiteboard. I want you to actually draw yours on paper. Okay, I want you to actually draw yours on paper so you can add color, okay? I'm going to show you mine here in just a minute. See if you know who my favorite character is. Okay, remember, it does not have to be perfect. Who's my favorite character? The Pigeon by Mo Willems, yes, who created the Pigeon books and the Gerald and Piggy books and Knuckle Bunny. Yes, that is my favorite. So that is your assignment, is to draw your favorite character. Send me a pic, okay? Text, message, or upload it to your Dojo portfolio. All right, in math yesterday you counted. In math today, you're going to work some subtraction problems. Now, I'm going to write some that you can do, or your parents can make them up for you, okay? I want you to draw pictures with them, or use objects, and use your fingers, okay? So I'm going to write some. Remember, when we talk about subtraction, we could say minus, or we could say take away. How many did I say for you guys to do? 5. Okay. I'm writing them too big. I have to adjust. And parents, you can recopy these, or you are welcome to come up with your own problems. 5. Okay, I'm drawing lines between them. So you can pause it on here, let them work it on their whiteboards. Okay, so these are the ones I came up with. 6, take away 3 equals, or I could say 6 minus 3 equals, or 6 subtract 3 equals, 4 subtract 0 equals, 7 subtract 1 equals, 5 subtract 2 equals, 1 subtract 1 equals. Remember, encourage them to draw a picture. This number tells you how many in all, how many you're starting with. So this, I know I'm going to start with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This tells me how many I need to take away. So you could do X's, or you know what? I need to take away 3. How many do I have left? I have 3. Make sure if they draw a picture, they erase it and write the number. Or you could do items. I happen to have these blocks at home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 blocks. How many do I need to take away? 3 of them. How many do I have left? 3 of them, okay? You don't have to do it with blocks. You can do it with toys. You can do it with marshmallows. You could do it with cereal. There's all different ways to do this subtraction. All right, and finally, what I would like you to do is to get on YouTube, listen to Jack Hartman sing the alphabet, See It, Say It, Sign It, or any of his alphabet songs to review each letter and each sound, okay? We have to keep those fresh in our mind so when we do get back together, we can just keep rolling, all right? If you have any questions, just send me a text or send me a message. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.